Hello and welcome back to another video of the Java tutorial series. So today we are covering the remaining types of inheritance, that is hierarchical inheritance, and we will see why the multiple inheritance is not supported in Java. Okay, so let me get into my IDE. I will create one new class name hierarchical inheritance. Inheritance. Okay, and let me increase my font size. I will include the main method. Okay, so what is hierarchical inheritance is when two or more classes inherits a single class. Means let's suppose one class A is there and whose properties are getting inherited by the two classes, that is class B and class C at the same time. In the example, we'll see one example. Let's just get started. I will create one class name as animal, and inside that I will create one method which it doesn't return anything, that is void eat, and this method doesn't accepting any parameters, and I will simply print eating. These are some simple examples to just to understand what is hierarchical inheritance. We will cover a complex example in our upcoming videos also. And another one is class dog, which is extending the class animal, and inside this I will create another let's suppose what dog does bark. I'll create one method name as bark, and I'll simply print barking. Okay, and one more class is required. Let's suppose class cat, and this class is also extending animal class, and inside this I will create one more method name as meow, which doesn't accept any parameter, and inside this I will write meowing, meowing, meowing. Okay, so our goal is to achieve hierarchical inheritance here. Let's suppose this is the parent class. I will write one comment over here, parent class, and this dog class is the child class 1, and this is child class 2. Okay, and inside this I will write, now I will write my main method. Now let me copy this from here and I will paste it over here, my main method. Okay, and inside my main method I will create one object of the cat class. Cat c is equals to new cat. Okay, and I will call, wait a minute, why I'm getting error. Error cannot be referenced from a static context. Wait a minute. Uh, let me write it as static, all static, because we are calling them inside a static method. Okay, so that's why I'm getting one error. I will let all, yeah. Yes, right now. Yes, okay, and I will call c dot meow, and again c dot eat, because it is inheriting the properties of the animal class, and eat method is written inside the animal class, so that we can call that eat method using the object of the cat. And now I will write one more line here, but I'm commenting out initially, and I will write, sorry, not eat, bark. Okay, and now if I run this, the expected output should be meowing and eating. Let's see. Here you can see meowing and eating is getting printed on the console. And now if I remove this comment, and if I try to run this, here you can see it's giving me error because location variable c is type hierarchical inheritance.cat, and it is telling me that this is compile time error, guys. I will comment it out. ct error means compile time error. This error occurs because here you can see we are in this is the parent class animal class, and this is the cat and dog class. These are the child classes which are inheriting the properties of this, and we are extend this is the cat class, and we are extending the properties of the a class. There is no linking between the class c and class b, and we are trying to access the methods which are written inside the class b using the object of the class c. That is not possible here. That's why Java is throwing errors, compile time error. This can not be done inside Java. Okay, I will comment it out, and I will run it again. Now it's working fine. Okay, I hope you guys understood the hierarchical inheritance in Java. And now let's talk about why multiple inheritance is not supported in Java. So in multiple inheritance is what here you can see one two parent class. One class is there which is child class, which is inheriting the properties of the two different parent classes. In class a and class b are the parent classes, and class c is the child class, and class c is trying to inherit the properties of the class a as well as the class b at the same time. Okay, this is not supported in Java. Why so? To reduce the complexity and simplify the language, multiple inheritance is not supported in Java. I will give you one scenario where A, B, and C are the three classes. Here you can see, and class C is inherit the property of the class A and B. If class A and B have the same methods and you call it from the child class object, means class, let's suppose one method is there void eat, and in class A as well as the class B, and we are trying to call the this void eat method inside class C. This creates an ambiguity for the class C to whom the call which class method should it call, whether the class A and class B. Since the compile time errors are better than the runtime errors, Java renders the compile time error if you inherit the two classes. Okay, so whether you have the same method or the different method, there will be the compile time error. So to remove this ambiguity, Java doesn't support multiple inheritance, but there is a way you can achieve multiple inheritance in Java, that is using interfaces. We will cover interfaces in our upcoming videos when we will be talking about the polymorphism in Java. So right now, just understand that multiple inheritance is not supported in Java. Just to simplify the language and remove the ambiguity which is created here, Java doesn't support multiple inheritance. So thank you guys for watching this video. I'll see you in the next one.